Hey guys, Dr. Brian Prax here, and I have something that I think you're going to like. If you're doing the paleo diet, vegan diet, probably the whole 30 diet, our Trust Your Gut diet, the anti-inflammatory diet, it is something that I really missed, is ice cream. I'm on day 3 right now of the Trust Your Gut program. It's a major elimination diet, but these items are included. Look at this. That's my ice cream. We got a bunch of different berries. I think there's some strawberries, blueberries, and what I poured over it is coconut. I'm a fan of coconut. Anything coconut is excellent. It's anti-inflammatory. It's a really, really good fat. I also really like the flavor. So if you like the flavor of coconut, go for it. Unless you're sensitive to it. But this is my ice cream, and it is working really well. Frozen. Organic, look at that, it all kind of congeals there together, and there's some of this stuff which I love. We can kind of crush it up like this, and because it's frozen and organic, it's actually picked at its very peak, and all the nutrients and the vital vitamins that are in there are all still locked on into those. So for those of you who like ice cream, but you still want to stay with your diet, do about a cup. Now, I might have a little more than a cup. Sue me, okay? But do about a cup of frozen organic berries, strawberries, blueberries, cherries. I like those red cherries. And then I just get the coconut cream, and I put the coconut cream. It's just pure coconuts. Coconut cream, pour it over there, mix it up. I just usually drop right in and just start eating this thing right away because I love it. I love things that are really cold. But you could wait a little while and let it soften up a little bit. For those of you who like shakes or smoothies, of course, you could just blend that all right up in there. You probably need a little bit more coconut or coconut milk. But man, that's my real go-to. If I wasn't on the Trust Your Gut program and I was doing paleo, then I also love to put almond butter in there because I love the almonds. I love the salt of that. I love the crunchiness. I like the crunchy almond. I usually do like 3 teaspoons around there. And I don't know, you got to try it. It has cured me of my addiction to ice cream. I did it many years ago. I'm doing it on the Trust Your Gut program. I hope you like it. Put your comments below and tell me what you think. Thank you for watching this video. If you like the content, I would ask you to hit the thumbs up button to like it. You can share it with a friend, subscribe to my channel, and please comment below. I will read it and I will respond. Thank you and have a nice day.